The Yamaha XT600 is back for 2026, and it's not just a revival of a classic name, it's the rebirth of an icon that defined the dual sport category for decades. Riders who grew up with the original XT series know exactly what that badge means: rugged reliability, go-anywhere capability, and a bike that could carry you to the ends of the earth without complaining. For the new generation, Yamaha has taken that heritage and fused it with the expectations of today's adventure riders. What emerges is a motorcycle that feels familiar but also refreshingly modern, a machine that respects its roots while embracing the future. At first glance, the XT600 commands attention with its tall stance and unmistakable adventure silhouette. The proportions are classic dual sport, but everything about the design has been sharpened for 2026. The LED headlight has a futuristic look yet remains practical with wide beam coverage for night rides on remote trails. The tank is slimmer but slightly taller, giving a better balance between fuel capacity and rider mobility. The side panels are sculpted to look modern without losing the rugged, utilitarian vibe. Spoked wheels, knobby-ready tires, and a high front fender all signal that this is not a poser bike, it's meant to get dirty, just like the originals. The heart of the XT600 has always been its engine, and this time Yamaha has taken the classic single-cylinder philosophy and pushed it forward. The 2026 model is powered by a 600 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, fuel-injected thumper, engineered for torque-down low and smooth power delivery across the range. Riders won't be chasing redline fireworks here, instead, they'll appreciate the broad, tractable torque curve that makes everything from city commuting to mountain climbs feel effortless. The single balances efficiency and strength, aided by a modern balancer shaft to tame vibrations. You get the satisfying thump that made the XT famous, but with refinement that makes long highway stretches more bearable. Emissions compliance has been handled smartly, so performance is not strangled by regulations, and fuel mapping is tuned for both efficiency and responsiveness. Suspension is a crucial piece of the puzzle for any dual sport, and Yamaha has treated this area with real care. Up front, inverted forks with generous travel soak up punishment from rough trails and pothole-ridden streets alike. Out back, a monoshock setup with adjustable preload and rebound keeps the bike planted whether you're solo, carrying a passenger, or loaded with gear. The balance strikes a sweet spot, soft enough to glide over washboard gravel, yet firm enough to remain composed when pushing the pace on pavement. Ground clearance is more than adequate for off-road antics, and the reinforced frame is designed to shrug off hard landings or fully loaded touring abuse. Yamaha clearly wanted this XT600 to feel like a true workhorse, not a fragile fashion statement. Braking performance has taken a big step forward compared to the XT lineage of old. The front wheel is equipped with a dual-disc setup, paired with modern calipers for confidence-inspiring bite. The rear gets a single disc with adjustable ABS, and Yamaha has wisely included an option to disable ABS for off-road riding where wheel lock and slide control are part of the game. Traction control also makes an appearance, with modes tailored for road, gravel, and off-road surfaces. These electronics are there to assist, not dominate, and most riders will appreciate the extra layer of safety without feeling like the bike is taking over. The cockpit is clean and modern. A full-color TFT display provides crisp readouts of speed, RPM, fuel, gear position, trip info, and even navigation when paired with a smartphone. Connectivity allows riders to mirror basic navigation prompts, receive call or message alerts, and track ride data. It's functional technology, not a distraction. The handlebar layout remains uncluttered, with switchgear that is glove-friendly and intuitive. Riders can toggle between ride modes, cycle through display options, and adjust traction or ABS settings on the fly. It feels well thought out and rider-focused. Fuel range has always been an important factor for adventure bikes, and Yamaha has struck a good balance here. The tank holds enough fuel for extended trips, with efficient fuel injection stretching the mileage into ranges that will satisfy touring riders. Expect to comfortably cover well over 200 miles between stops depending on riding style. Combined with the relatively frugal single-cylinder design, this makes the XT600 a bike that can venture far off the grid before worrying about refueling. For adventure riders in the American West or vast backroads of the Midwest, this is a reassuring quality. Comfort has not been forgotten. The new XT600 has a redesigned seat that is slimmer at the front for easier reach to the ground but supportive enough for long days in the saddle. The handlebars are wide and positioned to encourage an upright, commanding stance, reducing fatigue on long rides. Foot peg placement strikes a good middle ground, accommodating both seated comfort and the ability to stand for technical off-road sections. A small but effective windscreen reduces buffeting without getting in the way during aggressive trail riding. Yamaha has managed to balance comfort with capability, ensuring the XT600 works as well on a daily commute as it does on a backcountry expedition. Practicality extends to luggage and accessories. The frame includes reinforced mounting points for panniers and top racks, making it easy to kit the bike out for touring. Optional crash bars, skid plates, and auxiliary lighting are offered through Yamaha's accessory catalog, turning the XT600 into a legitimate long-distance adventure platform. Riders who prefer minimalism can strip it back to bare essentials, while others can load it up for weeks of travel. This flexibility is exactly what made the original XT series legendary, and Yamaha has smartly preserved that spirit. On the road, the XT600 feels composed and predictable. The engine hums steadily at highway speeds, with enough passing power to overtake without drama. The chassis is stable yet responsive, leaning naturally into corners without feeling top-heavy. In urban settings, it's nimble enough to filter through traffic and soak up rough city streets. Off-road, the bike comes alive. The torque-rich single makes climbing, crawling, and sliding intuitive, and the suspension's travel eats up obstacles. Riders transitioning from road to dirt will appreciate how forgiving the bike feels, inspiring confidence rather than intimidation. It's not a race-bred enduro machine, but that's not the point. It's a versatile all-rounder built to handle just about anything. Reliability has always been Yamaha's strong suit, and the XT600 carries the torch. Service intervals are rider-friendly, with oil changes and valve adjustments spaced reasonably apart. The engine is built with durability in mind, using modern coatings and materials to minimize wear. Yamaha understands that many XT riders take their bikes far from dealerships, so the machine is designed for straightforward maintenance and field repairs if needed. This rugged dependability will appeal to both old-school fans of the XT name and new riders looking for a bike they can truly trust. Pricing in the United States is expected to position the XT600 competitively within the mid-sized adventure and dual-sport market. Yamaha knows they're not just selling a motorcycle, they're selling a legacy, and they've worked to make it accessible. The XT600 should come in below the price of many heavyweight adventure bikes while still offering a full suite of modern features. That makes it attractive for riders who want true capability without spending premium touring bike money. It also places the XT600 as an appealing second bike for those who already own a sport or cruiser but crave something that can explore further. Ultimately, the 2026 Yamaha XT600 feels like the right bike for this moment. Adventure riding has exploded in popularity, but many offerings in the market have grown heavy, complex, and intimidating for newcomers. The XT600 strikes a different note: approachable, versatile, rugged, and honest. It's a machine that invites exploration without overcomplicating the experience. For seasoned riders, it's a nostalgic return to form with modern comforts. For new riders, it's an entry point into a world of two-wheeled adventure with a badge that carries real credibility. The revival of the XT600 is not just about selling motorcycles, it's about carrying forward a philosophy that motorcycles should be tools for freedom, exploration, and connection. Yamaha has delivered a machine that feels authentic, capable, and ready for anything America's roads and trails can throw at it. Whether you're carving canyon roads, tackling forest service trails, or loading up for a cross-country ride, the 2026 XT600 stands as a worthy companion. So as the sun sets on the horizon and the dust settles on the trail, the new XT600 reminds us why this name mattered in the first place. It wasn't about chasing the fastest lap time or showing off at the cafe. It was about getting out there, discovering the world on your own terms, and trusting your motorcycle to take you there and bring you back. The 2026 Yamaha XT600 carries that spirit forward into a new era, and for riders ready to embrace adventure, it's waiting with open arms.